स्वागत है आप सभी का CTET के फरवरी 2026 के 7 फेब 2026 के बेसिकली मैथ्स के पेपर के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स के सॉल्यूशन में, और जो सेट है वो एस सीरीज का है। तो चलिए बिना कोई वक्त ज़ाया किए हम सॉल्यूशंस की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। तो चलिए आज का जो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 मैथ्स का। व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ ऑल द प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 12 एंड 49। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 का जो सॉल्यूशन है वो है नंबर 2 विच इज 300। सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन। फिर हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 की। So 32, if 101 into 210 minus 120 into 102 is equals to 99 into 104 minus dash, then what is the number at basically the square dash यानी कि ये square। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 का जो आंसर है वो है नंबर 1 1326। ऑप्शंस थे 1326, 1327, 29 और 36, बट द करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो है 1326। फिर हम बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 की तरफ। तो 33 का जो सवाल है, द सम ऑफ ऑल कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 एंड 48 एक्सक्लूडिंग वन इज, ऑप्शन 1 इज 26, 27, 28 और 29। तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज नंबर 27 विच इज ऑप्शन 2। फिर हम बात करते हैं नंबर 34 की क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर and the least 4 digit number formed by using the digits 1, 5, 0 and 7 ones। So आपके ऑप्शंस है 6093, 6003, 6453, 6531 एंड द करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो है इसका नंबर 3 विच इज 6453। फिर हम बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 की तरफ। Kanta has 5 dozen chocolates. She gives 1/6 of this to Aruna and 1/5 of the remaining chocolates to Radha. She then gives 1/8 of the remaining chocolates to each of her other 3 friends. How many chocolates does Kanta have now? So options है 15, 20, 25 और 10। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 को जो सही आंसर है वो है नंबर 2 विच इज 20। तो मूव करते हैं 36 की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर LCM of 96, 120 and 60 divided by HCF of 72 and 168 is equal to 12, 15, 20 और 30। ये है आपके ऑप्शंस और इसका सही आंसर जो है वो है थर्ड वन विच इज 20। फिर मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 की तरफ। द कॉस्ट ऑफ 8 samosas is 156 and that of 4 idlis is 98. Sunita has a 200 note only and buys 3 samosas, 3 idlis. How much money is left with her now? तो आपके ऑप्शंस है 65, 66, 68 और 72। तो इसका जो सही आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 का वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3 विच इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3 जो है 68, दिस वन। फिर मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 की तरफ कि 24 liters 650 ml of milk is filled in 29 bottles each of the same size. The quantity of milk in 15 such bottles is 11 liter 900 ml, 12 liter 750 ml, 13 liter 600 ml और 15 liter 300 ml। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 का सही जवाब जो है वो है ऑप्शन 2 विच इज 12 liter 750 ml। तो चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 की तरफ। The internal length, breadth and height of a cuboid box are 12 centimeter, 10 and 8 centimeter respectively. A cubical box has side internal 9 centimeter. Aveen tries to pack 1800 cubical dice of side 1 centimeter each in these two boxes. The number of dice which are left unpacked is option 1 111, option 2 121, option 3 123 और option 4 129. So the correct answer to question number 39 is option 1 which is 111 over here, first one here 111. So question number 40, A bag containing potatoes, onions, lemons weighs 46 kg, 160 grams. The weight of the potatoes is 17 kg, 115 grams, and that of onions is 15 kg, 325 grams. The weight of the empty bag is 120 grams. If 30 lemons weigh 1 kg, then what is the number of lemons in the bag? So the options are 396, 402, 408, 414. So the correct answer to question number 40 is option number 3, जो है 408. Question number 41. Which of the following has or have only two lines of symmetry? Equilateral triangle, rectangle, rhombus, isosceles triangle. So the correct answer जो है question number 41 का वो है number 3, which is rhombus. फिर 42 क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम मूव करते हैं. Which of the following letters has a rotational symmetry but no line symmetry? Options are X, M, 0 and Z. So the answer to question number 42 is number 4, which is Z. So next move on करते हैं हम question number 43 की तरफ. A pentagonal pyramid has 5 faces, 5 vertices, 6 faces, 6 edges, 6 vertices and 5 faces, 6 vertices and 6 faces. So the answer to question number 43 is number 4, which is 6 vertices and 6 faces. Question number 44. The following table shows the number of visitors to a library in the first 6 days of the week. So Monday to Saturday, and the number of visitors being 86, 114, 141, 95, 124 and 151 respectively. On which day the number of visitors to the library was 29 more than its previous day? Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday or Saturday? So the correct answer to question number 44 is on Friday. Question number 45. The sum of the next two numbers in the pattern 3, 10, 32 and 99 is dash dash. So the options are option 1, 1119, 1121, 1209, 1211. So the correct answer जो है 45 का वो है number 3, which is 1209. So 45 का correct answer जो है 1209. Question number 46 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं हम. A teacher writes the number 308 on the blackboard and asks the children to read the number loudly. A child says it's 38. Which among the following is the most appropriate strategy to rectify the error committed by the child? Ask another child to read the number loudly. Provide few practical examples to the child to understand the position of the digits in the number, or teacher can read the number once and ask the child to repeat. Ask the child to start counting from 99 up to 308 in the continuity. So 46 का जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 2, wherein option number 2, that is to provide few practical examples to the child to understand the position of the digits in a number. तो ये जो particular answer है ये इसका है. Move on करते हैं 47 की तरफ. A class 2 mathematics teacher gives the following word problem on addition to the students to solve. A bag contains 4 mangoes and 6 more mangoes are added to it. How many total mangoes are there in the bag? This type of word problem belongs to which of the following structures of addition? Augmentation, segregation, repeated addition or aggregation. So the correct answer 47 का जो correct answer है वो है option number 1, which is augmentation. 48 question की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following pre-number concepts are relevant for building the understanding of mathematical concepts at foundational stage? Basic operations, place value and numeration, geometrical shapes, classification and ordering. तो जो 48 है क्वेश्चन उसका जो सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, which is classification and ordering. मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 की तरफ. सो which of the following is least desirable in a primary school mathematics classroom? encouragement of intuitive concepts in the classroom, building linkages with real life situations involving mathematical ideas, solving algorithm based questions from workbook, including open discussions on problem solving in the classroom. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 जो है उसका जो सही आंसर है वो है नंबर 3, सॉल्विंग एल्गोरिथम बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दी वर्कबुक. सो मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 की तरफ. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर अप्रोप्रिएट इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ सोशल पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑन असेसमेंट इन मैथमेटिक्स. ऑप्शन ए है ब्रिंगिंग द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन आउटसाइड द स्कूल इन असेसमेंट, बी मेकिंग यूज ऑफ स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टेस्ट, C, using folk algorithms from different cultures. Choose the correct options. So choose 1, A and C, second only B, third is A and B, fourth only A. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 का जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन 1, A and C, यानी कि bringing the experience of children outside the school in assessment and using folk algorithms. बेसिकली आंसर जो है ये और C, which is this, using folk algorithms for different cultures. Question number 51. Which of the following is least appropriate about contextual problems in mathematics? Option 1 है they are connected closely to children's lives. Second, they can help in developing the children's ability of mathematical modeling. Third is children tend to focus on getting a correct answer while solving them. Fourth, they might be derived from recent experiences in the classroom like a field trip, a discussion in art, साइंस और सोशल स्टडी क्लासरूम्स. सो द 51 का जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है चिल्ड्रन टेंड टू फोकस ऑन गेटिंग अ करेक्ट आंसर व्हाइल सॉल्विंग देम, दिस वन. तो मूव ऑन करते हैं 52 की तरफ. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 है द स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन बिलो आर मार्क्ड ऑन एज असर्शन ए एंड रीजन बी. सो असर्शन है कि इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू इंट्रोड्यूस डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड एनालिसिस इन द प्राइमरी स्टेज and to strengthen it in the upper primary stage. So data analysis exposes children at primary level to uncertainty and changeability in information as opposed to the fixed nature of mathematical facts they mostly study. Choose the correct options, which is 1 is A is true and B is false, second is A is false, B is true, third A is true but B is not the correct reason of A, and fourth A is true but B is the correct reason of A. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 जो है उसका जो सही जवाब है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, विच इज A इज ट्रू एंड B इज द करेक्ट रीजन ऑफ A. मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 की तरफ. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एक्सपेक्टेड लर्निंग आउटकम फॉर क्लास 3 एज पर NCERT recommendations? Is 15/4 equal to 4/15? Solve half divided by 1/3. Extend the sequence A, D, E, H, I, J. There are 12 balls in a box. How many balls will be there in 5 such boxes? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 जो है उसका सही आंसर जो है वो है this, solve 1/2 divided by 1/3. मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 54 की तरफ. Which of the following mathematical statements is true? 0 is called an additive identity for whole numbers. Mathematics is based only on observations and experiments. 0 is called the multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Commutative laws holds true for the operation of division. तो 54 का जो सही आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर वो है 0 is called an additive identity for whole numbers. मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 की तरफ. तो in mathematics the primary stage curriculum is focused on dash. First one rote learning, second nurturing curiosity, third is written algorithms और fourth is solving textbooks questions. So 55 का जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन 2, which is nurturing curiosity. मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 की तरफ. A child writes 503 as 5003. It shows that the child needs to learn counting. The child does not know how to write numbers in Word. The child does not know the concept of place value. The child needs to learn recognition of digits. So the answer to question number 56 is option 3 जो है the child does not know the concept of place value. 57 क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. According to Van Heel's levels of development of geometrical thinking, which of the following represent level 2? That is relationships. A child cannot classify various shapes that look similar. A child identifies and classifies shapes based only on their size or orientation. A child can informally deduce general properties of a given geometrical shape and is able to see the linkages among these properties. A student can follow the deductive axiomatic systems of geometry. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 का जो सही आंसर है वो है नंबर 3, that is a child can informally deduce general properties of a given geometrical shape and is able to see the linkages among these properties. क्वेश्चन नंबर 58 की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following is the most appropriate example of incorporation of local cultural knowledge or in mathematics teachings learnings? So the options are colorful mathematics textbook with pictures from various cultures, including only traditional methods of calculations in textbooks, remedial teaching for learners from different cultures, including examples of different methods of calculation used by people for various occupations and communities. So the correct answer to question number 58 is option 4, including examples of different methods of calculation used by the people from various occupations and communities. Move on करते हैं second last question की तरफ मैथ्स के हमारा जो है 59th question. One of the main guiding principles of NEP 2020 is the highest priority is to achieve foundational literacy and numeracy at dash by all the students, grade 1, grade 3, grade 2 और grade 5. So 59 जो क्वेश्चन है उसका सही ऑप्शन जो है वो है ऑप्शन 2, which is grade 3 over here, grade 3. मूव ऑन करते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ, which is question number 60. A primary class mathematics teacher brings in 2 jars of different shapes with water in one of them to a classroom. She pours water completely from the taller thin jar to a shorter broad jar. She then asks the question which jar can hold more water. This activity is most appropriate to teach how to calculate the area of 2 jars with different shape, formula for calculating volume and its conservation, the concept of standard units of measurements of liquids. So question number 60 जो है उसका सही जो आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, which is volume and its conservation. So with this हम आ चुके हैं हमारे इस पर्टिकुलर मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज के एंड में. वीडियो को लाइक करें, अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट रहे कमेंट सेक्शन में क्वेश्चन करें, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मिलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन पेपर और अगले सॉल्यूशन के साथ.